Hey everybody, okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said, I know I don't post a lot, but when I get the feeling to do it, then I do it. But so I am trying the Impossible Whopper from Burger King. I got it with no cheese, no mayo, but I have my own mayo that I'm gonna put on there. I'm gonna try it without the mayo, then I'm gonna try it with the mayo. I don't really do Impossible meat because it is GMO, but I want to try it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you got your bun. I don't even know if the bun is vegan, I'm not sure, but you got your bun. You got your, let's see, lettuce, tomato, and onions. Okay, so, oh, and this is the meat. Don't smell too bad. That's it right there. Plain burger. And try without the mayo. Okay. The taste is not bad, but need some mayo. It's dry. Real dry. So I'm using Hellmann's vegan mayo for this. Put some on there. Ooh, I put a lot. Alright, see if it'll make a difference. And for obvious reasons, I didn't get their mayo because it's not vegan. It's not vegan. Okay. So, there we go. Alright, so we got the mayo on there. Let's see what it's hitting for now. I'm not impressed. I mean, it's good, but I'm not impressed. I'm really not. The burger, the meatless burger I make, tastes better. But I'm not impressed. Really not. So, I feel like, I mean, it's good for convenience because, you know, we never have anything quick. It's good for convenience when you're on the go and you can't cook nothing. But if you're looking for like a really good burger, this ain't it. I recommend you go to like a vegan mom and pop's restaurant because they're gonna throw down. Burger King, they just going with the flow, jumping on the vegan trending train. You know, the actual vegan mom and pops, small businesses, restaurants and things like that, that's where your good food gonna be. But like these big time fast food chains, they just gonna throw it on the bun. That's it. And that's what I feel like this is. They didn't put like There's no wow factor. It's nothing that's gonna make me say I want to go to. I got food in my refrigerator, but I want to go to Burger King and get this Impossible Burger. That's not what this is. This is I'm hungry. I'm out shopping. I don't feel like driving 30 minutes to go to a vegan restaurant and sitting down and eat type of thing. So that's my opinion. If I can rate on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it about, taste wise, I would give it maybe a 5 or a 6. Like I said, I just like the convenience that you can just pull up to Burger King and get you a plant-based burger. So that's it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. But that's my opinion on the burger. Alright, bye loves.